Working with Tektronix test equipment and got an IQT file from signal analysis. This is a data file from Tektronix instruments used in electronic measurement and analysis. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to handle these Tektronix files. I've reserved the ultimate tool for the end. It's the kind of magic application that knows how to handle almost any IQT file. Let's try the simple solutions first. IQT files are data files associated with Tektronix electronic test and measurement instruments. They typically contain IQ in-phase and quadrature signal data captured by Tektronix spectrum analyzers, signal generators, or other RF equipment used in wireless communications testing and signal analysis applications. IQT files use Tektronix's proprietary format, storing complex baseband signal data with sample rate frequency reference and acquisition parameters. The format includes I and Q sample pairs, representing complex signal information used in modulation analysis, interference detection, and RF system characterization. For full accurate reading of IQT data, rely on the MathWorks, MATLAB by MathWorks. Windows native tools lack the decompression modules necessary for this file. Windows shows the plain text, while interpreting commands requires a scripting framework. To guarantee the file opens, right-click your IQT file and select Open With. Check for the MathWorks MATLAB first. If it is absent, select another program. A systematic check of installed tools is vital. When the file is still closed, you're facing one of three standard issues. Let's run through this easy-to-read list of causes and checks. First, opening with Tektronix Software. Install Tektronix analysis software like Signal View RSA Series Analyzer or RF Express on your system. Launch the application and use File, then Open to load the IQT file. The software processes IQ data, displaying spectrum analysis, modulation analysis, and signal characterization results based on the captured data. Next, Programmatic Access. Access IQT files programmatically using MATLAB Python or specialized signal processing libraries. Tektronix provides MATLAB toolboxes and Python libraries for reading IQT format. Process IQ data for custom analysis, modulation, classification, or research applications using scripting tools and signal processing algorithms. Finally, converting to standard formats. Use Tektronix software to export IQT data to standard formats like CSV, MAT, or various developers' IQ file formats for analysis and third-party software. Open the IQT file in Tektronix software and use File then Export, selecting the desired output format compatible with your analysis tools and workflow requirements. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.